I think the Chief Minister has embarrassed himself on national stage. After a 2.5 hour long press conference, he was not even able to convince the journalists in the room. If you listen to the questions asked by the journalists, even they were not convinced. And therefore, the Chief Minister thinks that the people of Assam do not have any intelligence, do not have any knowledge. So he should respect the people of Assam. People of Assam know who is the ultimate deceitful chief minister, most मिसोलिया मुख्यमंत्री, सबसे झूठ बोलने वाला मुख्यमंत्री people of Assam very well know, and people of Assam will decide concisively and decisively in the upcoming assembly election to throw out Himanta Biswa Sharma from the CM's chair. Right now, the way our Congress party is undergoing a Samay Parivartan Yatra, where we have uncovered more than 4,000 acres of land, 4,000 acres of land belonging to the Chief Minister and members of his family. He is unable to hide from that. He is unable to run away from that. He is unable to hide that. And therefore, a desperate Chief Minister is resorting to the only thing he knows, which is lies, lies and more lies. Complete bogus. I think he made he embarrassed himself. He made a mockery of the chair of the Assam Chief Minister in front of the entire national media. Thank you. Thank you. How many? I want to ask if there are certain BJP ministers in union government. I hope you ask the same questions to those BJP ministers also.
So how would you explain the SIT reports that have been extended your visa?
Today, the report shows that the Chief Minister is extremely worried. He has made an embarrassment of himself. For 2.5 hours he went on, but even the journalists in the room who had come from Delhi, even they were not convinced. And all the questions, if you listen to the questions, you can hear from themselves that the journalists also don't believe what the Chief Minister...